Hi to everyone. I am Dr. Balaganesan, Professor in the Head Department of Economics. Today I am going to talk about differential equations. What is differential equation? Differential equation involving derivatives. See, normally we know what is equations. Apart from that, we are adding differential coefficients with the equation is called differential equations. So when you consider the equation y equal to ax squared plus bx plus c, it is an important equation. Now, y is a variable, x is a variable, y is dependent variable. Y is what? Dependent variable, x is independent variable. So, y generally will say that y is a function of x. Now, you can be able to find the derivative. So that the first derivative is dy by dx. What is dy by dx? Dy by dx is equal to 2ax plus b. 2ax plus b. You can find one more derivative also. The one more derivative is d squared y by dx squared. D squared y by dx squared equal to 2b. Now, this is equation number considered as 1, this is considered as 2, this is considered as 3. When you join together the equation 1, 2, 3, which will be becomes d squared y by dx squared plus dy by dx plus y. So it is a function of x. Or some combination of x. Now, this is called differential equations. In particular, this is called ordinary differential equations. Likewise, partial differential equations is also there. The partial differential equation is a function of x comma y. Is a function of x comma y. Where z is a variable, x is also a variable, y is also a variable. Now, z is a dependent variable. X and y are independent variable. More than one independent variable. Now, is difference the variable x? Is difference the variable y? So, you can make a derivatives. You can find a derivatives with respect to x. So, this is called dou z by dou x. Now, dou z by dou x, dou z by dou y, these are all independent. For example, z equal to ax squared plus bxy plus c y squared. Now, it is very clearly z is a function of x and y. Z is a function of x and y. A, B, C are constants. It may be anything that. Now, dou z differentiate with respect to the variable x alone. So that when you differentiate with respect to x, you have to take over the remaining variable are constants. So this is 2ax. Now, when you differentiate with respect to x, so by is constant, x differentiation is 1. This is totally 0 because what? It is a y variable. It is y variable not related to x. So x and y are independent. So what is that? Dou is that by dou x is equal to 2ax plus b. Similarly, we can find dou is that by dou y also. What is dou y by dou x? This is dou z by dou y. This is 0. Why it is 0? Because it is a function of x alone. This is bx with respect to y. With respect to y, y differentiation is 1. This is bc, y square differentiation is 2y. So that part bx plus 2cy. So this is dou z by dou y. Now we can find one more derivative, that is second derivative. Dou z by dou x square. Again differentiate x with respect. Again differentiate the equation 1 with respect to x. This is 2a. This is 2a. This is 0. Why it is 0? Because no x. Only function of y. So this is 2a. So this is second derivative with respect to x. Next, similarly, dou square is equal by dou y square. Dou y square. This is 0 because with respect to x. Cy 2c. Y differentiation is 1. Therefore, what? 2c. 2c. Now, this is with respect to x. This is with respect to y. You can find dou square is equal by dou x, dou y. That means that dou by dou x of dou z by dou x. So dou y. Dou by dou x of what is dou z by dou y? Dou z by dou y equal to bx plus 2cy. Now with respect to x, if you differentiate with respect to x, this is only b. This is only b. Why it is b? Because x differentiation is 1. This is totally 0 because it is function 0. So only what? B. Next, likewise, you can find dou z by dou y dou x also. Dou y dou x also. So that I will write it here. To implies that dou z by dou y of dou by dou y of dou z by dou x. This is equal to dou z by dou y of. What is dou z by dou x? Dou z by dou x is equal to 2ax plus by. So with respect to y, with respect to y, only b. Only b. Now you can ask, sir, you found dou z by dou square z by dou x dou y. You found dou square z by dou y dou x. Both the results are equal. Here also b, here also b. Is it equal? My question is it equal? Dou z by dou x is equal to dou square z by dou y dou x. Is it equal? When it is to be equal? It is a question. No? It is to be equal whenever it is to be homogeneous. Whenever it is to be homogeneous. Homogeneous means the degree should be same. Here, what is the degree here? Here degree is x square 2. Here x power 1, y power 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Here what? Y square. So the degree is what? 1. So degree is 2. So that the answer will be equal. Dou square z by dou y dou x is equal to dou square z by dou x. So in this situation only you can expect the same result. Otherwise you cannot expect these two result will be equal. These two result not to be equal. So this is just a differentiation. Now an equation means when you combine together, when it clumps together, when you add it here, dou square, this is can be considered as 1, this is considered as 2, this is considered as 3, this is considered as 4, like this. The combination of some certain kind of equation is dou square is equal by dou x square, dou square is equal by dou x dou y equal to some function of x and y. Some function of, definitely it is a function of x and y. Because it is a combination, the function of the respect to x, the answer in terms of x and y, this answer is also functions of x and y. When you add together, the final result will be the functions of x and y. This is called differential equations. The differential equation, you can say that an equation involving derivatives. Simple one-line definition is an equation involving derivatives. The derivatives may be either partial, the derivatives may be ordinary. Okay, so this is partial derivatives. This is ordinary derivatives. Ordinary derivatives. This is ordinary derivatives. Again, this is A, this is B. The A is ordinary differential equation. B is partial differential equations. So many methods are there. Now you can see about the order and the degree. We can discuss about order. What is the order? What is the order of the ordinary differential equation? Order of the differential equation is order of the highest derivative or the index of the highest derivative. What is the highest derivative? The highest derivative is 2. The highest derivative is 2. So order is 2. Now, what is degree? The degree of the differential equation is which is free from the radicals. It should not be a rational numbers. It is to be free from the rational numbers. Means it is free from the radicals. How many times appear the equations? How many times appear the second order differential equation? Here only one time it exists. So that degree is 1. So 3 degree is 1. Now you can ask about linear differential equation. Linear differential equation means order may be anything. Order may be second order, first order, third order, or any higher order. The degree is 1. That differential equation is called linear differential equations.